Hey guys, Flip Man here. So I wanted to show you my very first Airbnb I picked up last year, January 2020. It had already been an Airbnb for 8 years. So it's been booked solid for a year and 3 months now. So finally had time to come in here and show you guys. So as you can see, we have the cabinets, everything was in here. So the kitchen cabinets, the countertops, the solid wood flooring, the furniture, the pictures. Really the only thing I did was put in a new sleeper sofa and a few new photos into the unit. So it's 1,100 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, sleeps about six people. We got a pull-out couch. And then we also have an air mattress, so actually you can get about 8 people in here if you want. $250 to $300 a night. It is right over by Sky Harbor Airport, so it borders Phoenix and Tempe right off the 202, and it's just a gold mine. Let me show you guys upstairs. All right guys, so I just want to show you the bedrooms here. Beds were already in here. We do a lot with the clean white sheets. We like that look. Drapes were in here, fans were in here. This is going to be pulled today. That's a broken dresser. We did have a guest who wasn't too kind, so that's coming out. We'll put a new dresser in there. This is the bathroom upstairs. This is, again, a 2-story unit townhouse. I paid $189. It's worth about, market's crazy, so the last one of these just sold for $255,000. So it's been about 14 months. All this tile was done. We got the tub in here. Walk through to the second bedroom. I usually put TVs in one of the bedrooms, sometimes 2 of them, just depending, but there's always a TV in the living area down there. We get a lot of great referrals on this property. 4-time Superhost now, so we're excited about that. We're gonna keep plugging away. We're launching number 5 here soon in Central Phoenix, and then our goal total for 2021 will be a total of 10 Airbnbs this year. So stay tuned. Hit me with a DM if you guys have any questions. Peace.